us. I already know. Okay, y'all better do good. Here we go. And rule number 3, my favorite rule. If you see something you cannot do, guess what? You pay us. Yay! Nobody's laughing anymore. Okay. So here we go. No, rule number 3, this is a free show, but it is an energy show, okay? So the more energy you give us, the more energy we will give you in return, okay? Sound good? Yeah? Okay, let's test it. When I say show, you say time. Show! Yo, ¿qué está pasando, mi hermano? A ver, explícame algo. No, wow, okay. All right, here we go. Let's try it again. When I say show, you say time. Show! Show! All right, here we go. You think they're ready? No. Let's just do it anyways, right? All right, let's go. We're here live at the Monster Energy booth with the Monster models, the Monster Breakers. Make sure you get yourself a free Monster and enjoy, y'all. Here we go.